Haka pratari ukalaring kor arja arpuar umenju rangba ke jelau konrat ki sangma ulalet jurib ya ke Courtyard kabala penyai da ke Marriott Hotel kabadan Shillong. Habai kren bigla pathai kubor konrat ulapan pau ke jing sko hun halor ke jing te ya ke ni hotel kabalong Kawei ni ki hotel ki Kaba Heh Tam haka Thain Shatei Lam Mihngi. Ulapan te bru babaro ki kam kila jandab lu light stangkat tu kani baru kermen ba on sayo ban pleno asyan ya ke ni hotel.
I have come today to have a walkthrough of the new Courtyard by Marriott Hotel, and I'm very pleased and happy to see the kind of work that has happened. The entire infrastructure is just amazing, and the hotel has come out really, really excellent. And I'm sure that this hotel will raise the standards of the hospitality sector, not just for Shillong and for Meghalaya, but for the entire Northeast, because this is the largest and the hotel in the entire Northeast, the biggest project among the hotels in the Northeast, and the largest in terms of rooms also. And we are hopeful that we'll be able to inaugurate this very, very soon. Just a few more formalities and a bit of paperwork is left, but I'm very satisfied with the kind of work that's happened, and I'm sure that the tourists and other people who will be using the services of this hotel will be very, very satisfied. And I wish the team of the entire Courtyard Marriott the very best.